welcome guys to this tutorial. In this session we talk about dynamic routing, IPv4, IPv6. Just a little bit about IPv4 and IPv6 configuration. You know that IPv4 is actually a 32-bit number address assigned to a device. It can be a computer, a switch, or a router. IPv6 is a 128-bit hex numeric, so it's a combination of numbers and some letters, again assigned to a device. So we can address more devices with IPv6 than IPv4. So the total number of devices in IPv4 are 2 in power of 32. Once again, IPv6 are 2 in power of 128. An example of IPv4 is 192.168.0.1. Once for IPv6 is longer in combination of letters and numbers like 2T.DD7 and also 4F3. So, but how we configure IPv4 and IPv6? So we already know IPv4 configuration. Just type in IP add and the IP address. Here is 10.0.0.1 netmask 255.255.255.0. But for IPv6, at first we need to enable the IPv6, and then we just type in the IPv6 address, the IP, and also the netmask. The IP here is 201.db1.141, and then the 64. But dynamic routing. For dynamic routing, if we look at one router here, we see the snapshot of Beijing. We see that it has several interfaces. So 0000 and 0001, they are actually IPv4, and therefore we need to configure them. For IPv4, we have some instructions. We start with router RIP, the name or the number of version, which is here version 2, and then the network keyword and the network IP of the interface. So I will show you how we do that. If we go to the network, and then for instance for Beijing, you see that the first interface, I just want to type router RIP. You see that the mode is changed from config to config router, and then this version 2, and then network. What's a network? So the IP address here is 192.168.62. So the network IP is 192.168.60, and it's done. So the dynamic routing of first interface is done. Back to our slide, to IPv6 routing. So for IPv6, we just look at the interfaces that have IPv6. So here the interface is serial 010. For IPv6, I just need to start with IPv6 unicast routing, and then I go to the interface. Again, you see that the mode is changed from config to config if. And then the last thing to do is typing IPv6 RIP process 1 enable. So I just show you how we do that. If again I show you this interface, and I go to this router, I just type IPv6. You see here that we have router RIP, unicast routing. So this is the first instruction, and then we go to the interface. So what is the interface? Interface is serial 010, and then the last thing to do is IPv6 router read process 1 enable. Yeah, and this is also done for this interface. So we just need to figure which interface is IPv4, which interface is IPv6, and then we go to each instruction. I hope that you enjoyed the session, and I see you in the next week. Thank you.